I'm Jacqueline from Airport Improvement Magazine, and I'm here today with Krista, Cody, and Sarah from Door Engineering.
Yes.
Hello, how are y'all?
Good, how are you?
Good. All right, so Cody, tell us about Door Engineering. Who are you? What do you do? Why do you do it better than everyone else in the industry?
Well, we started as a small controls company, and then we were incorporated in 1966. And our main product line then was the 4-fold fire station doors. And then since then, we've evolved into our aviation line. We have a custom specialty line. So if you need something unique, we're your guys and gals.
Guys and gals. All right, so back here on the backdrop, what about this door?
Yeah, so we have a variety of different product lines within our aviation division. Our most significant product line is our bottom rolling door systems. They come in a variety of configurations, basically to fit whatever opening you're designing to. That is what sets us apart from other manufacturers. We custom design each opening. So we want to know what aircraft is coming in and out of the building so we can design and maximize that opening.
So what type of airports are generally your clients?
Most of our business is business aviation, so FBOs, MROs. We dabble in commercial and some in general aviation as well. But definitely business aviation is our niche.
Yeah, and I would say a key point that we've probably missed is that we partner with design build firms and end users to make sure they're getting the opening they need for their application. And that's what truly sets us apart, besides the history. I mean, she's not wrong. Our bottom rolling product line is the legend on the market. And we're proud to say that we're celebrating 60 years. So it's a big deal. And even after 60 years, right, we continue to focus on research and development. Our R&D team is expansive, and we listen to our customers to make sure that we're evolving with the time, right? We aren't somebody who came up with an idea 60 years ago and continue to just map that out.
But yes, yeah, we work with, like Sarah said, design build firms to come up with new solutions as the hangar industry evolves as well.
Right. So are there any recent kind of industry changes that you feel like you've had to adapt to?
Oof.
Planes are getting bigger and hangars are getting bigger. So the doors are getting bigger.
And the demand is there, right? I mean, it's not just people flying around from one place to another. I mean, they're carrying packages and cargo at a rate we're just helping them keep up with. So that's been fun.
Right.
Yeah.
And you do repair as well.
Yes, we do
Okay.
retro refurbishment of existing hangars, whether it's our door system or someone else's, but we can work with clients in that aspect as well.
Yeah, and when we work with them, the door is generally a fourth of the building. There's a lot of design consideration, and we'll partner with the building manufacturer, the architect, and make sure all the details are correct so that they don't show up and now it doesn't fit and you got to do a bunch of field modification.
So we want to be a part of that interfacing process.
Right.
As soon as it
So we call it first time right.
Yeah, so the handoff of the baton isn't the aha moment at the end, but really it's set it and forget it. And that is the nicest compliment we can say to our product line. And to Krista's point, we do have other offerings besides the bottom rolling. The tip up is really gaining a lot of momentum. It is quick to open, relatively easy compared to many out there to install, but even more so, it integrates into the building and maximizes your footprint.
Yeah, and the best part about it is it runs back to a counterweight, so you can operate it manually in a power outage.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, okay.
So that's another advantage. And that is with our bottom rolling system too. We have really it's not patented, but it's a quick disconnect on our operator system that allows for ease of manual operation in case of loss of power.
Okay, that's great in climates that experience weather outages.
Or even just, customers that have a problem, somebody ran into a door or any of those things, right? I mean, it
There's
happens
a backup mechanism.
Yeah, you betcha.
Still be able to
Function,
manually operate that.
Yeah. Number one complaint is they can't use the hangar. Why? Because they can't get in. We make that as easy as possible.
That would be the number one boundary.
For sure.
So anything else exciting that y'all have recently done or coming up, or anything else you'd like to share?
What is exciting? I mean, one of the biggest things I like about Door Engineering is our tenure. A lot of our employees have come to work. We are a family that's just continued to grow along with our product line, and the tenure in our company is unbelievable. And that really says something to the end product, but also the pride everyone takes to work. On the aviation side, we are celebrating this year, or actually it was just a couple of months ago, Dale, our senior sales, and he's had all the titles.
He's had all the titles. Yeah.
I always say he started with the building and just kind of grew. 35 years this year, and that really is a testament to who we are and what we do, but more so what he's done to lead our team.
Yeah. And he's come up with a lot of the innovations within all of our door systems and keep them up to date to the marketplace.
Yeah, and if you've had a chance to work with 𝘿𝙤𝙤𝙬, you'd know he's fun, but also smart. So it's not just a good time.
He's very well known in the industry.
Yeah.
All right, so Cody, can you tell us what's the value proposition in the bottom rolling door that would make an end user choose your product over other companies?
So we already talked about the design, so we'll work with them the design up front. But some of the features that we do that nobody else does is the bottom rails and the top guides that guide the door. They'll show up in 30 and 40 foot fully welded and jigged assemblies instead of a giant pile of sticks that you have to figure out where they go, like a Tetris set. All of our weather seals are factory attached, which is actually our #1 labor item, and shop labor is a lot more efficient than field labor. And then we also do that with the rails that we have a better seal. So we also do bulb-to-bulb seals instead of a flap seal to help keep birds and weather out. And then as far as I know, we're the only ones that provide full electrical. So we give all the recessed pans, all the SO cords. We pre-wire it in the factory, take it apart. So when it shows up on site, it's all plug and play. And usually the door installer can do all the electrical, and the electrician just has to hook up 4 wires. And the #1 feature is most of our doors in the business aviation you install in 1 week, where our competitors are 5 weeks.
That's an amazing turnaround time. So what's the most popular configuration of the bottom rolling door system?
Our most popular configuration would be our Smart Rail system design that will maximize the opening. That particular configuration utilizes no pockets within the building, so it's going to maximize that full opening. It allows the aircraft to be brought into either side of the opening as well as the center of the opening. So that, for the business aviation and MRO, is the most popular configuration out there.
That one.
Yes, we designed that one back in the, I believe it's...
It would have been the late 90s.
Right.
Dale has all the stories on it, so if you find him, ask him about it.
Yes.
Yeah,
But yes, the late 90s when a client came to us and asked for a door configuration where he could bring in all different size aircraft in and out of that opening and not have to open the whole door system to be able to bring it in. And so Dale developed this configuration for that.
So an excellent example of meeting your client's needs by going outside the box, creating something new, and now it's caught on, and other people are doing the same exact configuration.
At the end of the day, everyone in the end users needed that.
Right.
And
it maximizes that opening.
And now that Smart Rail is really the industry standard, especially in MROs.
And FBOs.
They say imitation is the best form of
flattery.
Sincerest form of flattery, and we're often imitated but never duplicated.
There you go. Nice. Exactly.
Yep. So what current trends in the industry are kind of challenging you as a company to innovate and look forward to the future on solutions to meet client needs?
Yeah, no, I love that question because the R&D team is busy working with building manufacturers and just about everybody to make sure that we're not only meeting energy code, but we're exceeding it and making sure that our door isn't a contributor to that heat loss. Because as Mother Nature continues to show off, we've got to meet her with a challenge, right? And so we're meeting that. And again, it comes down to handing the baton off and making sure that our interfaces actually align with the building.
We take lots of feedback from our installers as well. So we're continually changing to make it easier to install in the field and adapt to the building changes.
That is correct. Yeah, if we're going to start using, natural resources that they're not wasted in a big open space, it's important that we take a look at how we can do it better.
Yeah, that's a great thing to look at going forward.
I think so.
That's amazing. Well, congrats on the 60-year anniversary.
It's a big deal.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
And it's a testament to your product and your services. So,
yeah.
Thanks for chatting with us today.
You bet. Thank you.